Oh, hey, check me out. Good evening, Penny family. E here. Easy Penny Shopping. And basically wanted to get on here ahead of time and discuss the NCI retrofit conundrum. For anybody that didn't catch my first, I don't know, 3 videos on retrofits, we have a different type of, I guess it would still be called a remodel, because they're still removing items. Items are pennying, but specific, and that's what a retrofit is. And they've been happening, I mean, every weekend all across the country since July. So anywho, this video is another retrofit that I went to. I'll also link my favorite retrofit down below. And if you would like to learn more, I am bringing on another retrofit expert, Miss Carrie from Super Sunday Sweep. We shall be doing a chat tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here. And we're going to discuss retrofits because you guys, you're missing pennies. You're missing pennies. This is unacceptable. Okay? You better be there. 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's talk about this. Love you. Bye. Hello. We are trying a retro. I have not been in this store, so I have no idea. And luckily we have a friend here, so we're gonna do his little splitty split, it looks like. Hey, do you want to split colors and stuff? Instead of getting stuck with... almost went up to your car and I'm like, man, sure as I do, it's not going to be the person I think it is. And then I would feel real dumb. Get it out of the car. Check for, does it have a symbol on it? They took the tags off of it. Gotta type in here. I don't think it is. I think those are the core. See, I'm not even connected. But yeah, any of them, if they have a symbol. Yeah. Well, no, like this one is. But I don't think we need to check the collegiate. Some of them went at other stores. And I have a ton of them. Yeah. Okay, we're connected. Now let's sign in. And I wonder. Oh, dig it out. There we go. Okay.
Oh, they come in like that.
Come on. There we go. So let's check. This one with the tag.
I'm being robbed. Do I need to put my hands up?
No, you are not being robbed.
No, because they don't pay me enough.
Right.
We'll pay for everything we got.
That's right. And
I was telling people yesterday, those clothes are basically free. Go get them.
right. I'm gonna check this collegiate stuff. I would love if I could get some IU, but okay, not the 22 gray star.
No.
No, I just tried it. Now I'm doing those FW20 mossy oaks. Nope, they're core. This one doesn't have a tag. I bet somebody took the tag off this one. Where's my UPC? Oh, here, take some of these. Welcome, ma'am. Okay, where's the UPC? Search for the UPC. Oh, these Green Star Kids, the best kid ever shirts. Not the parent ones, but the gray ones. Any of them that say best kid ever. It's not the mom and dad ones or the grandma grandpas. Okay, we got a UPC here at the bottom of this shirt. Let's see what we got. 8846. 8846. 167113. 41. Nope, that's a core one too. Let's see what's down here. Too bad. Oh, collegiate. What is? Oh, it's a T. Nope. Oh, I was gonna say, yeah, I got those too. So this still isn't right. The mom one or whatever. Okay, that's what I thought. I don't know why. Like, how random is that? They might have snuck more.
I looked from about.
Oh, did you already? Okay. Boo. Because some are finding the collegiate, but it's the old ones that, like, we had Penny a couple years ago.
But of course.
There's a 2020. I'll check it. Yeah, any of the Bobby Brooks leggings and stuff, check those. Now I lost my phone. Oh, there it is. See what we got. I know I checked these other places, but I'm just, you know, waiting for a miracle. Nope.
Edinburgh.
Huh?
Edinburgh.
Oh, yes, I saw that too. But that's like way far south, isn't it? Or is it not for me?
It was only like 20
More from here? Oh.
from me.
Okay, okay. Negative. Negative. Okay. Let's see if anybody's hiding. Oh, we got a diva dress right here. You want one of these diva dresses? We would look so hot in these. Do you see this?
Oh shit.
Yeah.
One shoulder.
Okay, so probably not. These are size, I don't know, kid size. So we probably shouldn't try that. What?
The shoes usually go too at that clothing?
If they're but not flip-flops.
Yeah.
Yeah. If if they have a symbol. I wonder if the random stuff went here. Oh, yeah. Need to be checking if ones got mixed in. Yep. There's one. I'm sure they've thrown ones in here. Yep. I'm gonna go see if some random stuff went. Okay, manager is trying to pull, so we gotta go fast. I did find 2 of our large, extra large men's composure. I just saw this. These are core. So, you know what? We'll just do this. This up here with those. Those look out of place. And this is a mess. I have already started putting things back in better locations. And just for me. Oh, there's a pair of random shoes. And I hear the grand total on that, and then I'll give you my coupon stuff.
No.
And what? Please! That's the exciting part!
98 cents after 6 cents tax.
98 cents! So happy.
I know.